Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see exercise 1.1 NCERT textbook mathematics chapter real number. There is question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Now we need to show this, that means we need to prove it. Before proving that, let us consider that positive odd integer a. Let positive odd integer a. Now we should try to divide a by 6 as we need to take it 6. So here I will try to divide a by 6. On dividing a by 6, let me consider that let q will be the quotient and r will be the remainder. R be the remainder. Now as we divide a by 6, we consider that q is a quotient and r is a remainder. Now as per Euclid's lemma, we will use Euclid's lemma. We know that what is Euclid's lemma? Euclid's lemma is a is equal to bq plus r, where we know the condition that 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Now as per this lemma, we should write it over here that we are trying to divide a by 6, means the value of b will be 6. So I will write it a is equal to 6 into, we got quotient q plus remainder r. So a is equal to 6q plus r, where we know the condition that 0 will be less or equal to r. Here we have taken that b is what? 6. Then we can say that value of r must be less than b. 0 is less or equal to r would be less than b. And what is b? That we know it is 6. So it would be less than 6. So it means we can say that what would be the value of r? That r would be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. The value of r must be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us try to keep all this value one by one. Let me consider. I will first take the value of r as a 0. So the lemma will be a is equal to 6q plus r. R is equal to what? I have taken 0. Therefore, I will get the answer, that is a is equal to 6q. Now I will take the other value, that is a is equal to 6q plus r is equal to 1. I will take it. Then the other one is a is equal to 6q plus 1. Now I will consider r value is equal to 2. 6q plus 2. I will consider 3. A is equal to 6q plus 3. This value a is equal to 6q plus 4. And this value a is equal to 6q plus 5. We should not take even more than this value because we know that value should be as per the Euclid's division lemma. 0 would be less than or equal to r would be less than b. And here the value of b is what? That is 6. So these values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it would not be 6 or more than 6. Now we should have this value a is equal to 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. This must be the value as well as the a is equal to 6q. Now here we have taken some even value also. But you know that a being an odd integer, it is given that for any odd integer, a being an odd integer, we should eliminate the even values. So the a would be equal to even values we should eliminate. That means we are going to eliminate this value as well as this value. That means here we are going to get some different values. That would be even this value should also be eliminated. So the values must be this, this and this. So I can say that a being an odd integer, I can write a is equal to 6q plus 1, a is equal to 6q plus 3 and a is equal to 6q plus 5, which is given, that show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. We have eliminated this even value. A is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 3 and a is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 2 we have eliminated, as well as a is equal to 6q plus 4 we have eliminated. So these three values remain, which is a is equal to 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5.